Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was just playing around with Eskimo's macro called MOVER, and I'll leave a link to this macro at the bottom of the video. So if you take this is a 12-inch circle, and I've got my vertical in inches set at 12 and 12, and I've got duplicates and select duplicates. Select the duplicate. So if I go up, instead of having to nudge, and then you could go up another one, and then you go to the right, and just keep going as many as you want, and then go down. You can make a box out of these items, and then you could still go up, and fill things in. A little bit easier than maybe nudging. And then you can do things like that. If you did it with a square, then you can make a new pattern. You can do, upper right. Then you could take these and go left and just keep making as many as the one you wanted. But really what I was kind of playing around with is kind of show you the two different styles of whether select the duplicate or duplicate. So let's leave it like it was. And now I'm going to change this to 1 inch on both. And I'm going to go up, left, down, right, up. And I made that pattern that you could do with other tools, but then you could take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in and get a shape like a crescent moon, or do a lot of stuff with it. Now let's do the same thing and uncheck the selected and watch the difference in the pattern. So I'm going to go up, left. I'm just going to go around the horn, and you get a total different pattern because you were moving the original and not the duplicate. So then if we take the Smart Fill tool, and you could go, kind of use your imagination on what to do here. You almost get the same curve, and you'd have to curve in or zoom in and get every little bitty nook and cranny. But it is a valuable tool that is free. It's a free macro by our friend Eskimo. So I'll have a link at this at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.